Have you ever wondered how close we are to calling Mars our second home? In our quest to become an interplanetary species, Mars has always held a special intrigue. It's not just its proximity to Earth, but also its potential for human habitability that makes it a prime candidate. Imagine stepping onto the red soil, feeling the Martian wind, gazing at the rusty horizon. But how far are we from transforming this vision into reality? Let's unravel the timeline of Mars exploration and our steps towards becoming interplanetary species. Our fascination with the red planet started way back in the 1960s. It was a time when space was the final frontier, and the mystery of Mars was an irresistible allure. The dawn of Mars exploration began with a spark of curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. The first successful mission to Mars, Mariner 4, was launched by NASA, marking a significant milestone in our cosmic journey. Mariner 4's journey to Mars was not just about reaching the planet, but about understanding it. The spacecraft sent back 21 photos, revealing a crater-filled landscape so different from our own yet so intriguing. It was our first close-up encounter with Mars, and it left us yearning for more. As the 1960s gave way to the 1970s, the Viking program arrived, taking our understanding of Mars to new heights. Viking 1 and 2 didn't just orbit Mars, they landed, sending back the first detailed images of the Martian surface. These images, as stark and barren as they were, painted a picture of a world waiting to be discovered. They brought Mars into our living rooms, and made it a part of our collective imagination. The early Mars missions were about more than just exploration. They were about hope, about potential, about the promise of what lies beyond our own world. The foundations were laid, but our journey to Mars was only just beginning. As we entered the new millennium, Mars exploration took a giant leap. The Mars exploration rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, embarked on their mission to the Red Planet. These robotic geologists were equipped to search for answers about the history of water on Mars. They made significant discoveries like uncovering hints of a past where Mars was warmer and wetter. Around the same time, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter began its mission. From its vantage point high above, it studied Mars's climate and geology, sending back detailed images and data. This remarkable piece of machinery provided us with a bird's-eye view of the planet's surface, revealing features like ancient lake beds and the presence of seasonal water flow. But the leap of progress didn't stop there. Enter the Curiosity rover. This car-sized explorer, still operational today, is armed with a suite of sophisticated tools. It's on a mission to assess whether Mars ever had an environment capable of supporting small life forms. Curiosity has made remarkable discoveries, including the detection of organic compounds, a key ingredient for life as we know it. These missions, each significant in its own right, have brought us closer than ever to understanding Mars. They've shown us that Mars is not just a barren red desert, but a world with a diverse geological history and the potential to host life. These missions have brought us closer than ever to understanding Mars, yet the dream of human settlement remains a challenge. The future holds exciting prospects for Mars exploration. As we venture further into the 21st century, our eyes are set on the red planet with an intensity like never before. Upcoming missions such as NASA's Mars Sample Return are poised to revolutionize our understanding of Mars. This mission's primary objective? To collect and bring back Martian rock dust and atmosphere samples to Earth. These alien souvenirs will provide invaluable insights into the planet's past and present, potentially revealing signs of ancient life and paving the way for future human exploration. And speaking of future human exploration, enter private entities like SpaceX, who are ambitiously planning to make Mars our second home. Visionary Elon Musk envisions a future where humans are not just Earthlings, but Martians too. SpaceX's Starship, currently under development, is intended to be a reusable transportation system capable of carrying up to 100 passengers to the Red Planet. Imagine that, 100 pioneers venturing into the unknown, ready to write a new chapter in human history. But settling Mars is not as simple as packing up a spaceship and waving goodbye to Earth. It's about sustaining life in a hostile environment, an environment that is freezing, radiation blasted, and practically airless. Scientists and engineers are tackling these challenges head-on, developing technologies for generating oxygen, producing food, and protecting astronauts from harsh conditions. Think of it as not just surviving on Mars, but thriving there. Innovations like NASA's MOXIE, an experimental device on the Perseverance rover that converts Martian carbon dioxide into oxygen, indicate that we are already making strides in this direction. The goal is to create a self-sustaining colony, a place where humans can live, work, and contribute to our understanding of the universe. The path to becoming a multi-planetary species is fraught with challenges, but our relentless pursuit of knowledge keeps us moving forward. The future of Mars exploration is not just about reaching a new world, it's about expanding the horizons of what is humanly possible. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: our journey to Mars is just beginning. So, how close are we really to calling Mars our second home? This is a question that has intrigued scientists, researchers, and space enthusiasts alike. As we've journeyed through the history of Mars exploration, we've seen how our understanding of the Red Planet has evolved. From the dawn of Mars exploration with the Mariner and Viking missions, to the leap of progress marked by rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, and Perseverance, we've made significant strides in understanding Mars. Yet the journey is far from over. Upcoming missions like NASA's Mars Sample Return mission and SpaceX's Starship missions promise to push the boundaries of our knowledge even further. While these missions are exciting, they also underscore the challenges that lie ahead. Human settlement on Mars isn't just about getting there, it's about surviving and thriving in an environment vastly different from our own. The importance of these endeavors, however, cannot be overstated. Mars exploration gives us a unique lens through which to understand our own planet. It pushes the limits of human ingenuity and resilience and forces us to contemplate our place in the universe. As we stand on the brink of a new era, we can only imagine what exciting discoveries await us on the Red Planet. Our quest to call Mars our second home continues, driven by a spirit of curiosity and exploration that is innately human.